Imagine for a moment the book The Power of Habit transforms into a human being. What an intriguing individual it would be. This person, we'll call them Habit, would be a master of routines, waking up early, exercising, eating healthily, all part of their daily ritual. They'd be the embodiment of consistency, showing us that success is not a one-time event, but a series of small, repeated actions. Habit would be a fantastic listener, understanding that every action is a response to a cue, and every routine results in a reward. They'd help us identify our own cues and rewards, guiding us to modify our routines for the better. They'd be a tireless motivator, incessantly reminding us of the power we hold in our own habits. They'd be the friend who nudges us when we sway, ensuring we stick to our chosen paths. And most importantly, habit would be the epitome of change, demonstrating that even the most ingrained routines can be altered with determination.